Does your LinkedIn background look like this? Did you know that your LinkedIn banner is a great opportunity to create a strong professional image, to raise your credibility in your industry and increase your network, even your number of followers? In today's video, I'll share with you the importance of the LinkedIn banner examples, and how can you create your own LinkedIn banner for free. And hey, if you're ready to unlock your LinkedIn potential, don't forget to book your free one-to-one profile optimization session with me. Link is in the description box and as well on the pinned comment. The latest Recruiter Nation survey has revealed that recruiters are not just using social media to advertise jobs, but also to screen candidates. And the social media channel most used by recruiters is LinkedIn. So how can you stand out in the crowded LinkedIn space? The LinkedIn banner is often referred to as the LinkedIn background picture or even the background cover photo. How many names do we need for the same thing? LinkedIn banner is the first thing that people will look to when they visit your profile. And it is a great chance for you to give people a glimpse of your personality and your branding. So let's look at these two profiles. Which one stands out the most for you? Is it profile A or profile B? Let me know in the comments below. Okay, so now that you got a point, what can you include on your LinkedIn banner? You can include things like your job title, if you have a business, what are you offering? What companies did you work for in the past? Your contacts, like your professional email, social media handles, a quote that you like, between others. Also consider using a high quality visual that will make your banner look even more appealing and unique. If you have a logo, feel free to use it right here. It can be something abstract or it can be something related to your industry or your work. So how can you create your LinkedIn banner for free? Let's do this together. Open Google and type Canva LinkedIn banner. Then click on free customizable LinkedIn banners, or just use the link in the description down below and the pinned comment. Canva is great because it offers so many professional and appealing templates for different industries, and you'll not have to create anything from scratch. But let's say you want to use this one. All we have to do is to click on it, and then we click customize this template. I'm going to change the initials right here to my own initials, and then I change the name as well. Boom. Then I change the profession, and to change the colors, it's really easy. All you have to do is to click on the background. There it says background colors, and you can change things around and even choose a gradient like that. You can do the exact same things with the font and the text colors. And once you're happy with your banner, all you have to do is to click share, download. Do not click on LinkedIn profile or LinkedIn page because it will share your banner as a post, and we don't want to do that. So we click on download, and it's going to save the banner on our computer. So once it's saved, we go to our LinkedIn profile, we click on the camera icon right here, then edit profile background, select your banner and upload it. And that's it. There you go, guys. Your new LinkedIn banner that will make your profile stand out. And if you're ready to level up your LinkedIn game, don't forget about that one-to-one free call.